I don't understand why the girls be just lying so much.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey Dals, hey, welcome back to another vlog. It is me, your girl Briana Marie, and today we are about to go try Seven Brew, the actual Seven Brew. Remember, I was looking for the coffees that was in Walmart and couldn't find it, but now they put a Seven Brew in Tinley Park. The only one I've seen before is the one that was in Melrose Park, so that was just too far for me. But we're about to go to the one in Tinley. We're gonna guess right now. Oh, y'all, my birthday outfit. Oh, I can't wait. It's so cute. But I won't be wearing it on my birthday. I'll be wearing it the weekend of. Anyways, off topic. The agenda today is really nothing major because I do have to upload this video on Friday. So we're going to get gas. Then we're going to go get Seven Brew. And then we're going to go wash the car because a bird pooped on it. So we're going to wash the car. I'm excited. And then after all of that, so what I'm going to do is go home and wash my brushes. I do have a client Saturday, so we're going to go do that because it's so many brushes. When I tell y'all, I have not washed my brushes since, I don't even remember the last client, so I couldn't even tell you for real. I'm actually excited to edit this vlog. I don't know why, but I just feel like it's going to be tea. I want a banana bread blondie, y'all. So I actually have to, that's why I keep picking my phone up, because I have to screenshot it. I'll see y'all once we get to Seven Brew. Hi.
Did you have a phone number with us?
No.
Did you want to sign up?
Yeah.
Or it's just going to be a phone number?
773.
How can I get started for you?
Okay. Let me see. I seen it on TikTok. So let me do a small iced banana bread blondie with cold foam and extra caramel drizzle.
Have you pull forward, please? Thank you.
Yes.
Thank
you.
Also, thank you so much. Have a great one.
You too. Hi.
You have a small banana bread blondie?
Yes. Thank you. We got it, y'all. Here's y'all. Now, okay, so it's caramel at the bottom, so it's extra caramel at the bottom. Let me mix it up, y'all. I'm gonna sip it again because you already know by the looks of my face, I'm about to give my first opinion. Y'all can make this at home. I don't understand why the girls be just lying so much. They be lying about the simplest stuff. Like, this is just regular coffee, okay? And all you gotta do is get the I don't know if they have like banana sweetener, but I taste the banana. However, the coffee is overpowering the bananas. I don't know. I like my coffee sweet, so this just tastes like coffee. I'm trying to get into coffee, but blondie is like, okay, so how I get like the Starbucks dark roasted. I think they have a Starbucks medium roast or something. I think that's where the blondie come from. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not a coffee girl deeply as of yet. But this, I feel like we can make this at home. And if you were to come here, I feel like you should get more of the syrup. More so of the syrups should be used to make it a little bit more sweeter, because this tastes like coffee. I feel like the people who like a strong coffee would like this place. If you like more of a sweet coffee, this is not for you unless you go and add more syrup. Yo, baby daddy's on his face. And look at that headlight, y'all. That motherfucker's so clean. That's the only clean that's the only clean thing on here. The B-roll. So my battery about to die. I'll probably get some B-roll of me coming out, but other than that, that's the only thing that we got to do. And then I'll see y'all when I get home to wash my brushes. But we're gonna vacuum and do all other stuff.
No promises broken, leave no images blemish. I'm the one that you notice. I ain't blocking none of the haters. I need them to witness.
Right now, y'all, I'm making me a sandwich. We didn't clean the car out already, so I'm just gonna put some mayonnaise on here, and then I'm gonna take some salami, some other kind of salami, and then some honey turkey breast to put on my sandwich, and then some habanero pepper jack cheese. Here go my sandwich. My pickle is tucked in to the sandwich, you know. It's about to get ate. And then I got some lemonade. I said I was supposed to wash my brush today. I'm gonna check back in with y'all on that, cause them a lot of brushes. I only washed these small brushes. The small brushes take a very long time. As y'all can see, my hands are like suffering, okay? Like I literally be up for hours standing washing brushes. I'm glad I got these out the way because these are way more tedious than the actual bigger brushes. I have 2 handfuls sets of the big brushes and then we're done. But these are all the brushes I use for all of the clients. Y'all, I don't know if I want to end this vlog tomorrow or if I'm going to end it today, but I gotta start ending my vlogs off. But I don't think I want to end it off today. I think I'm going to end it off tomorrow. One by one. I don't do, because I like to thoroughly wash my brushes. So I feel like if I do them all together in clusters, it's not going to be how I want it to be. And it's just not, they're just going to be dirty still. So I do it one by one. It is currently 12:27. I don't even know when I started. I will post the time that I started on the video. But y'all, let's get back to washing the brushes. I definitely had to show y'all the big brushes. These are, so the same amount that you see, I have to wash another set that looks like that and then I'm done. But not quite done because I have to wash the sponges, the triangle ones. Sometimes I think about throwing them away, but baby, no. That's not going to happen. This Morphe brush right here is one of my favorite brushes. I like this brush as well. This one is a e.l.f. Yeah. Stain tint brush. See, I really didn't have to use the coconut oil like that. This is another one of my favorite brushes too. This is an e.l.f. brush. Another foundation brush that I like I'll let y'all see that one, but I like it because it's flat. I like this one because it's bulky. Sometimes I like them dome like this, and then sometimes, well, most of the times I like them flatter. Basically. Me washing the brushes. Let me see. Ever since I used, I don't know what I use green on, or it just dyed green. I like this one for contour. This is my favorite brush for like contour. I never leave my brushes upwards when they are drying, so I don't know why sometimes they be breaking off. This is my all-time favorite brush. This one is shaded 2. I like it because y'all see how flat and slutty it is, and when I apply my foundation, it going really smooth. This is my favorite. I should have got a couple of these. These are my favorite. And I can't even see the name on the brush, so I will have to find a name or see if Shein got some of these brushes, because they be selling the ones that look like this on it. So I got it clean. I'm gonna wash the other brushes, and I'm gonna see y'all once all my brushes are done. Finally finished all of my brushes, y'all. Now I didn't do the sponge things. I'll do those tomorrow, because those, it's a couple of them, quite a few, but those are very easy versus from all of these brushes. I had to wash all of these brushes, y'all. I got clients this month, but only for like two of those days throughout the month. I won't be using that many brushes no time soon. But y'all, I'm gonna call it a night. So I'll see y'all in the morning. I'll probably read my book a little bit, because I have been reading my book and it's been getting interesting. The first parts have been like redundant, but I just wanted to show y'all, because I said I was gonna come back, my brushes, and they're all clean. I'm also gonna put double paper towel over there so it won't like drip. And y'all, I'll see y'all in the morning. That shower was literally everything. Like, all my thoughts are left in the shower, okay? Because I overthink. I just overanalyze stuff. And y'all, the showers be definitely needed. I am washing my face right now, but as you can see, my face has gotten clear over time, but it has gotten worse to me. I feel like the dark spots can be a little bit, well, way more better and completely off. I just want my skin to be super clear, glass clear skin. Like, I've been going through this like my entire life, especially starting YouTube. So it has gotten better, but if y'all could recommend me some things down below of what to do to get rid of dark spots completely, let me know. But y'all, skin was definitely glowing after that scrub.